Emikoro yo kujaguza ekiro kya tarehe 6 yakorerwa mu district ya Kabale acha cya Kabale National Teachers College mu Rurembo Kabale, kandi omukoro gwahikwaho bagenyi bakuru kurwo mu ihanga lya Uganda hamwe n'amahanga gaheru nka Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania hamwe na Gandhi. President Museveni nagira ngo bakacetegereza ngo hariho abantu enyanga bitaha na munongo ku rugo mu rubaju orukuhakanisa gavumenti ababiri batebekaniseho obuvuyo omu karuru ngo konka bibyo kwerinda tubabikiriza. Ebigambo bya President Museveni bijaho bwa nyuma y'omudumizi w'amahe kandi omuhabuzi wa President Anshonga z'omutano General Muhoozi Kainerugaba okugambira President Museveni ngo abantu bingi ababiri batebekanisa okuretaho embeera mbo muri Butambara, Luweero, Kampala hamwe n'endijo myanya bona bakakwatwa kandi batwarwa mu kooti kandi abandi basindukwa ha rumando mu bihome bya gavumenti.
The electorate largely heeded our advice to vote and then go home without causing any trouble. Due to incitement to violence by some opposition actors, there were criminal gangs who tried to stir up trouble in some parts of Kampala, Butambara, Mukono, Sembabule, Jinja, and Luweero after the elections on the 15th of January. The security forces dealt with the troublemakers promptly, arresting and charging scores of suspects in the courts of law.
President Museveni yatandikana no kushobora aho amahiga Uganda garugire.
Who are planning very bad things. And they can't disturb Uganda because our security system is very robust. They are wasting their time. And I suggest that we have quickly neutralizing those troublemakers.
President Museveni yatabarisya abanyakigezi hamwe na n'ihanga ryona ahabwo kurwo mu karuru buhoro.
Omujungu obugaiga bwaha nibwomani ate nimusera icyanga kitu akumurwihamu nikake mbasa kwihamu kiri kukiraho urukutandika no kuhinga no kulisa okuhinga no kulisa mutakozesa Luwezo mutakozesa kushikera uko no kushisha inyenda kusima abantu b'amahanga Rwamucucu kuriya rukiga bakarwa mu kishara cyagarukaho inda kubasima.
President Museveni yashoba yagira ngo gavumenti erimunetebekanisa okugira ngo abantu bakigeze batunguke okurabira mbyo burambuze obwe gavumenti eri kutera enkuto z'oburambuze koransi na munongo rwa Katuna lya Karamera Butandamuko na nokombeka ebishayi byenyunyu muri Kabale na Kisoro. Omushuganisa w'amahina n'abantu ba burijo Major Henry Masco nawe yashobora ebintu ebikozirwa amahe.
Is our tradition. We held a series of ideological seminars in the region, notable one for the youth leaders, another for interreligious leaders and our veterans between 1st 7th decennium. Thereafter, there were a regional launch at Sorosaza ground, commencing the activities in the region, and this was blessed by the Right Honourable Prime Minister on 2nd December 2025. There were district launches on 3rd December, commencing activities in all the 6 districts of the region.
Abebembezi basima abasirukare ba Uganda ahabwe nkora nungi na n'abantu ba burijo kandi basimana n'ubuhereza obabahereza ubwe bari mu kwetebekanisa
Derizo batshemerigwe nkakigezi abukutayisa emikoro ya Taresita kandi ubwe turendera kusima ababahe bitu aba UPDF ahabwo businje ubatretire ngiri hanga kandi no kwejumba umirimo itagiye mwenemwe kwatirine n'amagara bw'umuntu wa burijo
kandi necha mazima tuti no businje muka omwihanga tuti no businje omwihanga tihine oku ebyentungu kabyogendo byagendo misho so aba UPDF aba security nimbateka muri ekidisa
kandi nakugambira abanyakabaye ubu no mucya gw'amani munonga kugira ngo twahostinga ugu mukoro ngwene chamani no kugira ngo protecting the gain za Uganda.
Soberi nitwishuka orunakuru president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni na bagenzi be orubaruga omumakakabo bakaza kurwanirira ihanga ry'itu Uganda kugira ngo ihanga ry'itu Uganda libase okubaje.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Nelson Ahimbisubwe.